What if you could get most of the OpenClaw always-on agent experience without ever downloading it and the risk of handing a malicious actor the keys to your entire digital life? Because I've had the benefit of running an always-on agent on my Mac Mini for the last 3 months that I can control from my phone anywhere, and it's quietly become the most useful thing I own. I'm Jim Sheckett. I've worked at the intersection of entertainment and technology for over a decade, previously at YouTube, Google, and Disney, with experience in both the business and performance side. I'm sharing how to upgrade the way you create, work, and live in an ever-evolving AI world. So to keep up with the AI revolution that's changing everything, you want to get more comfortable building and using an always-on agent as soon as possible. A popular route has been to install OpenClaw, but if you're not knowledgeable or careful, that can turn into a real problem from a security standpoint. If it's not set up carefully, it can give away private information. Hackers and malicious actors are actively trying to prompt inject your agent to trick it into revealing your digital life. It can also pull in third-party skills, and people are constantly embedding malicious instructions and code inside those skills. I wanted the same experience without the risks, so I strung together a version of it entirely inside tools I already trust, the Anthropic ecosystem and the Google ecosystem. If you don't already have it, download Claude on desktop directly on your computer. You then want to get the Claude Pro subscription for $20 a month. This gives you access to Claude Cowork and Claude Dispatch. You want both of these for this setup. It's absolutely worth it for the value I'm about to show you. Claude Cowork can directly manage, edit, and create files in your computer to automate workflows. Dispatch is the feature that lets you talk to Cowork remotely from your phone, which allows me to drive my always-on Mac Mini from anywhere. So that one move alone recreates about 90% of the OpenClaw experience, and you're taking on far less risk because I'm doing this entirely in the Anthropic ecosystem. Here's what it actually feels like. You have a dedicated chat that responds intelligently and takes action by controlling your computer remotely. Anything you can do with your mouse and keyboard, Dispatch can do on your Mac from your phone. By the way, before you go and build anything with a setup like this, there's another really powerful prompt technique I use before starting any project. I broke it down in my first video on this channel. The link is in the description and at the end of this video. If you want to learn before you build, check it out. It pairs with everything I'm about to show you and will change how you set up every workflow from here. The single best install to pair with Claude is the Google Workspace CLI. If you only download one thing after this video, make it this. I'm sharing a link in the description, and if you're not sure how to download it, you could actually ask Claude to help you through the process. It's one install, and then you connect it to Claude once, and Claude can now take action across the entire Google Workspace ecosystem too. So that's Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Slides, Sheets, Google Drive. It's incredible. That's 6 surfaces unlocked, and in my opinion, it's one of the single best downloads you can do in 2026. So here's where the combination gets interesting. You're on your phone, talking on Dispatch, connecting to Cowork, to then the Google Workspace ecosystem. So once that chain is live, you can start asking it to build automations and scheduled recurring tasks for you. The more you use it, the more that always-on agent experience builds up over time. Here's 2 real applications I'm running right now. One workflow is my morning priorities on autopilot. So Dispatch has gotten to know me, my priorities, and my to-do list. Every morning, it prioritizes that list and schedules time blocks straight into my Google Calendar. I wake up and the day is ready. That one change has been incredible. Workflow 2, newsletter to content ideas pipeline. So it scans the AI newsletters I already subscribe to in Gmail, pulls out the topics I should be learning about, and drops them into an organized Google Sheet as content ideas. That's Gmail to Sheets, running without me. 2 surfaces of Workspace talking to each other with Dispatch as the driver. Once it's running, you'll definitely want to tweak things. Here's a technique that makes that easy. It's called reverse prompting. When something isn't quite right, don't just say, fix it. Ask it, what's the best way to fix this? Let it propose the option, you modify and approve, then it executes. That's especially powerful with Claude's most intelligent model, Opus 4.7. It's smart enough that it often knows more about the fix than you do. So let it propose, you refine, and then it executes. So I use this whole setup and reverse prompting to script this video. It gave me the strongest outline with the best chance of making something helpful with its own knowledge of how I've been using it. If you're getting value from this, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.